Welcome to Healthy Habits. We are so glad you found us. Here at Healthy Habits, we are dedicated to helping you live your healthiest and happiest life. Our channel is all about sharing practical tips and advice for improving your nutrition, staying active, and maintaining a healthy lifestyle. Whether you're looking to lose weight, boost your energy levels, or just feel better overall, we've got you covered. Our team of experts will provide you with the latest research and recommendations for living a healthier life. So join us on this journey to better health and wellness. Subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated on all of our latest videos. We can't wait to share our healthy habits with you.
Feed your brain, the top brain healthy foods to include in your diet. How does what we eat affect our brain? Our brain naturally changes as we age. These changes can affect brain function and can be seen in changes in memory, processing speed, and other cognitive abilities. Some age-related changes in the brain are normal, while others may be related to the development of brain disorders such as Alzheimer's disease. There are several factors that can affect how the brain ages, including genetics, lifestyle factors such as diet and exercise, and environmental exposures. Certain lifestyle factors, such as maintaining a healthy diet and engaging in regular physical and mental activity, help support brain health and slow age-related decline. Question is, how fast is it going to change for us and what can we do with our diet to make it change? What type of foods boost brain health and slow brain aging? Eating a healthy, balanced diet has many benefits for your brain. It helps improve your memory and concentration, provide energy to support brain function, and even protect against certain brain disorders. Some specific things that a good brain diet can do include: boost blood flow to the brain. Foods rich in antioxidants, such as fruits and vegetables, can help improve blood flow to the brain. This is important because the brain requires a constant supply of oxygen and nutrients to function properly. Support brain cell health. Omega-3 fatty acids, which are found in fatty fish, nuts, and seeds, are important for maintaining the health of brain cells. These fats also play a role in brain development and function. Help reduce the risk of brain disorders. A healthy diet can help reduce the risk of brain disorders such as Alzheimer's disease and stroke. For example, a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains has been associated with a lower risk of developing Alzheimer's disease. Enhance cognitive function. Studies have found that certain nutrients, such as those found in leafy green vegetables and blueberries, help improve memory and cognitive function. Here are some nutrients that are important for brain health. Omega-3 fatty acids. These are polyunsaturated fats that are essential for maintaining the health of brain cells. Omega-3s may also have anti-inflammatory effects and are beneficial for brain development and function. Good sources of omega-3s include fatty fish, nuts, and seeds. Folate. This B vitamin is important for the production of neurotransmitters, which are chemicals that help transmit signals in the brain. Folate is found in leafy green vegetables, nuts, and legumes. Vitamin E. This antioxidant helps protect the brain from oxidative stress, a process that can damage brain cells. Vitamin E is found in nuts, seeds, and vegetable oils. Vitamin B12. This B vitamin is important for the production of myelin, a substance that helps protect and insulate nerve fibers in the brain. Vitamin B12 is found in animal-derived foods such as meat, poultry, fish, and dairy products. Iron. This mineral is important for carrying oxygen to the brain and other parts of the body. Iron is found in red meat, poultry, beans, and fortified grains. Zinc. This mineral is involved in a variety of processes in the brain, including the production of neurotransmitters and the maintenance of nerve function. Zinc is found in animal-derived foods such as meat, poultry, and seafood, as well as in nuts, seeds, and whole grains. Magnesium. This is a mineral that plays a number of important roles in the body, including supporting brain function. It helps improve memory and cognitive function. Magnesium can be found in nuts, seeds, beans, and whole grains. Now that we have seen the nutrients we need, let's talk about some foods we can eat that are sources of the above nutrients. There are many foods that may be beneficial for brain health. Here are a few examples. Leafy green vegetables, they are packed with nutrients that can benefit brain health. For example, they are high in antioxidants, which can help to reduce inflammation in the body. Inflammation has been linked to a number of brain-related conditions, such as depression, anxiety, and Alzheimer's disease. Leafy greens are also high in vitamins and minerals, such as folate, which is important for brain function. They are also a good source of lutein, which has been shown to have a positive effect on cognitive function. Examples include spinach, kale, and broccoli. Berries, they are a good source of antioxidants, which can help to reduce inflammation in the body and protect against damage caused by free radicals. Berries are also high in flavonoids, which are plant compounds that have been shown to have a number of health benefits, including improving cognitive function. Studies have shown that regularly consuming berries helps improve memory, delay age-related cognitive decline, and reduce the risk of developing neurological conditions such as Alzheimer's disease. A good example is blueberries. Fatty fish such as salmon, mackerel, and sardines are a good source of omega-3 fatty acids, which are important for brain health. Omega-3s are essential for maintaining the health of brain cells and are involved in a number of brain functions, including learning and memory. Studies have shown that regularly consuming fatty fish may help to improve cognitive function and reduce the risk of developing neurological conditions such as Alzheimer's disease and depression. Omega-3s may also have anti-inflammatory effects, which can help to reduce inflammation in the body and protect against damage caused by free radicals. Nuts and seeds, they are a good source of nutrients that can benefit brain health. Nuts are high in healthy fats, such as monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats, which are important for brain function. Nuts are also a good source of antioxidants, which help reduce inflammation in the body and protect against damage caused by free radicals. In addition, nuts are a good source of vitamin E, which is important for brain health and has a positive effect on cognitive function. Examples include walnuts, almonds, pistachios, hazelnuts, and cashew nuts. Turmeric. Turmeric is a spice that is often used in traditional medicine and is believed to have a number of health benefits. It contains a compound called curcumin, which has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Whole grains, they are a good source of nutrients that can benefit brain health. They are high in B vitamins, which are important for brain function. Whole grains are also a good source of antioxidants. In addition, whole grains are high in fiber, which has been shown to have a number of health benefits, including improving cognitive function. Some examples of whole grains that are good for brain health include whole wheat, oats, quinoa, and brown rice. Dark chocolate, it is a good source of antioxidants, which can help to reduce inflammation in the body and protect against damage caused by free radicals. Dark chocolate is also a good source of flavonoids, which are plant compounds that have been shown to have a number of health benefits, including improving cognitive function. To get the most benefit from dark chocolate, it is important to choose a high-quality product that is made from at least 70% cocoa. It is also a good idea to consume it in moderation, as it is high in calories and can contribute to weight gain if consumed in large amounts. A serving size of about 1 to 2 ounces, 28 to 56 grams, per day is generally considered to be a reasonable amount. Generally, red wine has some benefits for brain health, due to the presence of a compound called resveratrol. Resveratrol is a type of antioxidant that is found in the skin of red grapes, and it has a number of health benefits, including improving brain function and protecting against neurodegenerative diseases. If you are interested in including red wine in your diet as a potential brain health supplement, it is generally recommended to limit intake to 1 glass per day for women and 2 glasses per day for men. It's also important to choose a high-quality red wine. It's important to remember to consume these foods as part of a balanced diet, rather than relying on any one food or group of foods to support brain health.
Thank you for watching this video on healthy habits. We hope you found the information helpful and are motivated to make positive changes in your own health and wellness journey. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay up to date on all of our latest videos. We post new content every week, so there's always something new and exciting to learn. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. We love hearing from our viewers and always do our best to respond to your comments. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.